This year, Google has launched two Pixel phones, Pixel 4a 5G and Pixel 5. Pixel 4a 5G is more affordable and Pixel 5 is premium and pricier of the two. So in today's video, I'll talk about Pixel 4a 5G. This is a first look of new Pixel phones, some standing out features, specification and pricing. Hello friends, my name is Santosh. Welcome back to my channel. Pixel comes with sophisticated camera that delivers high quality pictures. The camera is a culmination of Google novel technique and HDR exposure bracketing. That's what they call it. So you don't have to struggle in a brighter lighting condition to get a well balanced exposure in your pictures. With ultra-wide camera, you can capture more of your life moments, be it a beach holiday, basketball court, or friends and family gathering. As a photographer, you would like to capture beautiful pictures with a blurred background. Lighting conditions can be challenging during twilight hours. With the night side portrait mode, you can blur your pictures, retaining the highlight on the subject. Your beach pictures can be nice, but when you are standing with sunset in the background, the sunset masks you completely, making your face darker, or even a brighter sky will make your face darker. So, with the portrait light mode, you can illuminate your face even against a harsh sunlight or a bright sky. Your holiday pictures can become less shaky and smoother with Google Pixel. The three image stabilization modes, locked, active and cinematic pan, stabilizes and slows down the motion, giving you a high quality picture. Extreme battery saver mode prioritizes between the essential and non-essential apps and snoozes the apps that are not required to run, thereby extends the battery life up to 48 hours. With Google Pixel phone, you will get 3 years Android and security updates, whereas for other phones in the market will get Android updates only for standard 2 years. Just imagine how you get paranoid when a customer support plays the on hold harsh music into your ears. So Google Assistant will call for you. When the person on the other end gets back, Google Assistant will notify you. The Titan M security chip keeps your confidential data secure from any malware or harmful apps. The new Pixel 5G phones will get 3 months Stadia, YouTube Premium, 100 GB of storage, and Google Play Pass, Google Play Points. Pixel 4a 5G starts at $499 or 36,646 Indian rupees. Pixel 5 starts at $699 or 51,334 Indian rupees. In India, Google Pixel 4a can be purchased on Flipkart. That's all for today. I'll bring more such informative tech videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, please support my channel in the form of likes, shares and subscribing to my channel.